Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can start selling on Shopify for 90 days. If you don't have an account on Shopify, click on the description below in the link and get your 90 days account completely free. Now, the thing over here that you have to keep in mind is that you can bring your ideas for life for $1 per month. And obviously this is a chance of a lifetime, and the future of business is yours to shape. And it's very easy and simple because Shopify gives you a chance to where you can customize templates and get free website designs to launch your store quickly and easily. They have the Shopify that takes care of everything from marketing and payments to secure your transaction and shipping, with millions of users that trust Shopify to manage their online stores. Now, obviously, Shopify is the platform where you can start earning instantly, and you start your free trial quite simply by putting your email address over here. So we're going to do that and click on Start Free Trial. Once you do that, they'll ask you the first question before you get started: which of these best describe you? You're just starting off or already selling online or in person? So we're going to click on I'm just starting off and hit next. And once you do that, the next question they're going to ask is, where do you like to sell? Now, obviously you can pick as many as you like, and you can always change these later, but because they want to make sure that you're set up to sell in these right places. It could be an online store, an existing website or blog, social media, online marketplace, in person, or if you're not sure, just go with I'm not sure. But we're going to sell online store and create a fully customizable website. So once you've selected it, select on next. And after doing that, they're going to ask you the question, do you have an online audience or following? Meaning, if you're engaging with an audience on an online platform like YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, or anywhere else, you can set it up to sell to them as well. We're going to say, yes, we are, and hit next. And after that, we'll select the different places that we want to sell. For example, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and even on Twitter. And after selecting all of that, we can go next. And after clicking on next, they're going to ask you the most important element, and this is the store name. Now, the store name is crucial that you get right, because the store name is going to determine the factor that's going to make you successful or not. And the reason behind this is that a lot of young entrepreneurs and people who do not understand the online market, and people who do not understand drop shipping, and people who are not familiar with Shopify tend to select a name which has nothing to do with the items that they're selling. That is the reason why I always recommend to everyone that watches our videos to select a name that means quality. They select a name that reflects the product and the items that you're selling, and to make sure that the name can be advertised and be turned into a brand. And that is the reason why you need to do your research. You need to go in depth, and you need to look at your competitors and understand what kind of names are available already in the market, if they have a website or not, if they're selling online or not, and what kind of audience are looking at those particular products. And combining all those research and combining all those elements, you're able to select the name that is truly unique, that reflects quality and rarity. So we're going to select the name right now, and after selecting the name, we're going to hit next. Once you land on your dashboard, on the left hand side, you're going to see your home, orders, product, customers, analytics, marketing, discount, the online store, and the point of sale with different apps that are available. Now, guys, this is crucial that you understand the different elements that you have, because Shopify gives you a complete support and assistant that ensures that you are always supported in whatever step that you take. And obviously, by taking steps where you understand what you need to do, you'll be able to become successful, because that is the common denominator for success. And there's a lot of businesses right now in the niche that you want to work in that are already doing what you're doing. So you need to set yourself apart and get a competitive advantage. And by understanding the system and understanding the different elements in the system, you'll be able to do exactly what you need to do in a different way to ensure that you are set apart from the competitors that are already in the market. Then the first thing that you need to do and understand is analyze. Analytics is crucial because it gives you a chance to understand what your customers are doing. It gives you a chance to understand the behavior of the people that are coming to your landing page. It gives you a chance to understand the products that they want to buy. And obviously, based on that information, you're able to select products that are obviously winning products that can give you the financial freedom that you always wanted. The other thing is marketing. Marketing is crucial. It's the cornerstone for success. If you do not have a proper marketing base, if you do not advertise and promote your product, if you do not advertise your shop, you will not be able to convert sales and become successful. So understand these two elements, because this is crucial for success. Once you've done that, the main element over here is your dashboard. Now, on the dashboard, you can add your first product, you can add your brand assets, you can add your custom domains, you can even customize your themes. Then you have your support system, which is your help center, where you can find documentations and tutorials on how to use Shopify. And obviously, you can learn about Shopify and get a step-by-step guidance on how to best set up your business online, and there's different courses available as well which you can learn from, and the community that is always here to help you, where you can discuss and network to find the best practices with the business owners, and you can ask and talk about a topic and find answers to your questions and review Shopify resources. And obviously all of this is available for you to ensure that you can run a business successfully on Shopify. If you don't have a Shopify account, click on the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days. You can also start your free trial by clicking over here and picking a plan. Now, obviously, the picking the plan is quite crucial, and obviously I'm going to give you a breakdown for it. There's 3 different elements available. But before we talk about the elements, I'm going to talk about the discounts that you can get. If you go for 1 year, you can save 10%. If you go for 2 years, you can save 20%. And if you go for 3 years, you can save 25% on the overall cost. Now, my recommendation, my tip to you guys is always start off small and then gradually increase the price, because once your drop shipping takes off, you'll be able to afford to get a bigger plan. So go to monthly and start it for $1 for the basic Shopify, where you get a transaction fee for all your payment providers at 2%, a currency conversion fee of 2%. You get 2 staff members and up to 4 locations. Now, I get a question by a lot of individuals where they ask me this: what are locations? Locations are literally places where you can sell your products. And the mistake which a lot of individuals tend to make is that they do not use the locations. For example, if there's someone in Australia right now and you have a location set up, a business set up, a Shopify account set up, that you're selling products in Australia, it's summertime. You won't be selling winter jackets over there. You're going to be selling flip-flops and beach towels. And obviously with Christmas just around the corner, you're going to target items in Australia for Australians for that particular time and period. But if you're selling in the UK, Europe, or the US, it's going to be winter down there right now. And obviously with snow just around the corner and Christmas coming, you're going to sell items according to that particular region. So location is crucial, and understanding your audience, understanding the location, understanding the genders, understanding the age group will obviously make your business successful. The second option that you have is to go for the Shopify, which is for $49 per month, where you get a transaction fee for all your payment providers at 1% and a conversion of currency fee of 2%. You get 5 staff members and up to 5 locations, so they add 1 more location. And the best thing, which I personally feel, is the professional reports, because it gives you a breakdown of exactly what is happening on your Shopify store, so you never make a wrong move. You understand exactly what's going on, and based on that analysis, based on those reports, you're able to make successful strategies where you can scale and make your business successful. But once it takes off and you get a lot of customers coming to your Shopify account, you can always go for the advanced Shopify, which is for $299 per month. But obviously you're going to be making a lot of money, so $300 is going to be peanuts for you. You get a transaction fee for 0.5%, a currency conversion of 2%, a duty import tax rate of 0.85%. You get 15 staff members, which is absolutely brilliant. You get up to 8 locations. So globally, you'll be able to sell items, products, 8 locations in 8 different countries. And that is where success comes from, because you will be able to select different items for different locations, select products which are evergreen, and obviously increase your customer base, increase your loyalty, increase the conversion that you get on your Shopify accounts by selling in different locations across the globe. You get professional reports, you get advanced report builders, you get international pricing, and you get duties, import taxes as well. And the best thing for me personally is the different shipping options that you get to ensure that you can get your products to the individuals that buy them on time. And that obviously leads to a higher customer service, and a customer service reflects into a loyal customers. A loyal customer reflects into a trusted and returning customer. So obviously a happy customer is a returning customer, is a loyal customers. And obviously by combining all these elements together, you're able to create something that is truly successful, where you can create a business that will last a lifetime and get you the financial freedom that you always been dreaming about, and where you can break away from the 9 to 5 and work from the comfort of your home and be able to start a business and get the financial freedom that you always wanted. And all these plans include shareable product pages, unlimited products, 24/7 support, fraud analysis, abandoned cart recovery, manual order creation, sales channels, free SSL certificates, and you can sell in over 133 countries. If you have any questions, guys, whatsoever, you can always ask me in the comment section below. I will be more than happy to help you, support you, assist you, and guide you. The reasons why we make these videos is to give you guys the opportunity to understand how you can sell on Shopify and give you the support that you require to sell successfully and create a business that can last for a lifetime. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family on your social media, on your WhatsApp, on your Facebook, on your Twitter, on your Instagram, so more people can find out how simple and straightforward it is to set up an account on Shopify and start selling right now. So stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.